Longines has revitalized its PrimaLuna collection, introducing a fresh and elegant design that blends modern aesthetics with timeless appeal. This release, set to launch in September 2025, will feature an impressive lineup of 23 different models available in both 34mm and 30mm sizes, along with automatic and quartz movement options. You can expect to see a diverse array of dial styles, including blue and white mother-of-pearl or sunray silver, as well as options adorned with gems or crafted in bimetal materials. The landscape of ladies' watches is gradually shifting. Although some watch enthusiasts argue that differentiating watches by gender is unnecessary, the reality is that many consumers still favor smaller, more feminine designs. The Longines PrimaLuna collection has been a favorite since its inception in 2009 and has consistently ranked as one of the brand's leading models. For the 2025 release, Longines has given the PrimaLuna a thoughtful redesign, subtly modernizing its features without sacrificing the classic charm that has captured the admiration of many. A notable ambassador for the brand, Jennifer Lawrence, showcases these exquisite timepieces, emphasizing the collection's updated yet refined character. While the essence of the PrimaLuna collection remains intact, the redesign introduces a notable change in its case structure. The original model featured narrow lugs that, while distinctive, now seem somewhat outdated. In a strategic move, Longines has chosen to maintain the classic silhouette of the 8mm narrow lugs, but has enhanced the overall case design by broadening the ends. This adjustment creates a harmonious transition to the bracelet, lending a more modern vibe to the timepiece. Although these new watches boast larger dimensions and a thickness of 11.6 millimeters, the case sizes remain rooted in traditional standards. The collection initially debuts with a 34mm model, while a more compact 30mm version is anticipated later in the year. The cases are predominantly crafted from polished stainless steel, with additional variations including bimetal options of 18-karat rose or yellow gold, and luxurious gem-set versions embellished with blue sapphires or white diamonds. Beyond aesthetics, these watches incorporate practical features such as an anti-reflective sapphire crystal coating, an exhibition caseback, and a commendable water resistance of up to 30 meters, making them ideal for everyday wear. The dials within this collection, while diverse, maintain a traditional flair without straying too far into bold territory. With few exceptions in color and material, they largely echo the designs of the previous models, signaling Longines' collection focus on a specific market segment. The collection is centered on two main styles: a classic three-hand model featuring only a time and date display, and another equipped with a moon phase indicator and date subdial positioned at 6 o'clock. Both options are offered with a layered sunray silver dial, accented by blue Roman numerals, or in a choice of white, green, or blue mother-of-pearl, each complemented with diamond hour markers. It's admirable that Longines continues to utilize an automatic mechanical movement for the core PrimaLuna lineup. The upgraded model features the Longines calibre L8995, based on the reliable ETA A31.L91, visible through the exhibition caseback. With a power reserve of 72 hours, along with a silicium balance spring that enhances its anti-magnetic resilience, this movement is a step forward in performance. Although its operating frequency is slightly lower at 25,200 vibrations per hour compared to the 4 Hz in the former model, this adjustment may contribute to improved durability, complementing the extended power reserve. In conjunction with the aesthetically pleasing 34mm automatic model, Longines is set to introduce a smaller 30mm quartz version later this December. This option appeals to budget-conscious consumers as it requires less maintenance than its automatic counterpart. As previously mentioned, the updated case dimensions seamlessly integrate with the newly designed bracelet, marking a significant upgrade from the older model's more distinct, separated look. The redesigned 5-leg stainless steel bracelet maintains a sleek appearance and is equipped with a triple folding safety clasp to ensure a secure fit. Additionally, there are leather strap alternatives available in traditional colors such as blue, red, or burgundy alligator, also featuring triple folding clasps. A rarity for watches of this size, illustrating Longines' meticulous attention to detail. Availability and pricing. The Longines PrimaLuna collection will be available starting in September 2025. Pricing begins at AU $2,175 for the Quartz models, with the automatic version starting at AU $3,550, the moon phase editions priced at AU $4,475, and the two-tone moon phase variations reaching AU $5,725. Longines PrimaLuna collection models L8 1260 Gem set, stainless steel, blue mother-of-pearl dial with blue leather strap, moon phase. L8 1260 diamond bezel, stainless steel, moon phase. L8 5717 18K rose gold bimetal, moon phase. L8 5797 18K yellow gold bimetal, moon phase. L8 712 silver sunray dial. Stainless steel with blue strap, moon phase. L8 716 silver sunray dial, stainless steel bracelet, moon phase. L8 4872 mother of pearl dial, stainless steel, red leather strap, moon phase. L8 4876 mother of pearl dial, stainless steel bracelet, moon phase. L8 4076 green mother of pearl dial, stainless steel bracelet, moon phase. L8 4976 blue mother of pearl dial, stainless steel bracelet, moon phase. L8 5. As the watch industry continues to evolve, do you think these changes reflect a broader shift towards embracing both tradition and modernity in ladies' timepieces? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you in favor of gendered design in watches, or do you lean toward a more unified approach? Let us know in the comments.